Dear student, welcome back to the Department of Collegiate Education. In e-digital learning, under which you can study business law, the subject already you can study the business up to 17th session, and this you can study the 18th session, under which functions of board of directors, under which functions and liability of board of directors. So, dear student, you can recall the director or board of directors from the subject of banking and insurance from second semester, and also the business study of the second PUC, and also business economics. So, the main objective of this unit to you learn about purpose of Companies Act. What are the purpose the Company Act implemented in our country or in the world? The most important of this session outcome is the various member of or the company and different types of the sector existing in our country. So you can study the functions. It's while Company Act 1956 contained no statement of statutory duties of the director, and act of director were usually reviewed in the context of their powers in terms of section in 291 of the Act Companies Act of 1956 and other applicable law, and their establishment role under the common law as laid down in several judicial precedents. To act in accordance with the articles of the company, in other words, to act within the powers. Board of directors act within their power, they can give the restricted power. To act in good faith in order to promote the objective of the company for the benefit of its member as whole. To act in the best interest of the company, its employee, shareholders, community, and for the protection of environment. To exercise due and reasonable care, skill, and diligence and independent judgment. To avoid direct or indirect conflicts of the interest. To avoid undue gain or advantage either to himself or relatives or partners or associates, and not to assign his office to any other person. To attend the meeting regularly, to be iniquitous and pursue agendas for the unusual items and seeks additional information in writing if necessary. To ensure that disagreements or dissenting view are recorded in the minutes. To act honestly and with reasonable justifications. To report the concern about the unethical behavior, actual or suspected fraud or violation of the company's code of conduct or ethic policy. To seek professional advice, establish audit committees, engage external agencies if situation demands. To engage an external agency for addressing with bowling issues. The company may consider appointing an external agency for the whistleblowing reporting to provide the requisite disclosure of the interest or conflicts. Consider the excusing oneself from the participation in a proceeding in case of conflict. Liability of the directors. The liability of the director can be both joint or collective for any and every act prejudicial to the interest of the company. Though the director and the company are separate entity under the following case. The director may be held liable on the behalf of the company. So liability of the director. Liability to the company, liabilities to outsider, criminal liabilities. Under liability of the directors, tax liability, refunding of shares application or excess in the share application money, to pay for qualification share, civil liability in case of misstatement in prospectus, fraudulent business conducted and all the associated debts and contracts executed. So dear student, you need further information or you need use knowledge, please log in the website. I'll given the website address, and also study the books: business law B.S. Raman, Indian corporate law K. Ramachandra, B. Chandrasekhara, and S. Allah Bakshis. So in this session also given the multiple choice question. A special resolution means a resolution passed by majority of not less than, given the four question answer, you can select the correct answer. Minimum number of directors of the listed company should not be less than, given the four answer, selected correct answer. The minimum number of the members in case of public company should not be less than, given the four member, you can select the right answer. Minimum number of the directors in case of private company, given the four answer, selected the right answer. First director hold office till the holding of dash and take over the officer by the next board of directors, given the four answer, selected which one is nearest answer. A person cannot be a director of a more than dash as per the Companies Amendment Act 2000. 5 companies, 10 companies, 15 companies, 20 companies. Select which one is correct answer. Okay, thank you friend, thank you students. Okay.